Hi and Assalamu alaikum. All generator technician, all generator mechanics. Today in this videos, we are explaining the Caterpillar engine model 3456 generator set with EMCP 2 plus electrical system. ECU wiring, all complete wiring of the starting circuit, ECM pin out, pin in, and sensor injectors wiring, common in grounds, overall schematic explanation in this video tutorials. So, before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell notification and select all to getting any videos notification in a first. So, let's begin to explain. As you can see here, we have two type of engine model. As you can see, 3406 and 3456. This two model of the electrical schematic is same. Okay, but N3406 some engine is coming without ECM manual. Okay, and the new model is coming with the ECM built-in. Okay, and 3456 is coming with the ECM. Okay, so now we are main focus on a 3456 generator set with EMCP 2 plus electrical system. So let's begin and let me open the electrical wiring diagram of the 3456. This is our 3406. As you can see, this is the ECM. Okay, ECM have two connectors. As you can see, J2 connect with the P2 connector. Okay, the top side, and also as you can see, the J1 connector is connect with the P1 connector. Okay, let me first of all explain the ECM pin out. Okay, as you can see, start from uh, as you can see the top side 2 3 4 2 4 6 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the injectors. Okay, we have six injectors. Okay, and the pin numbers, as you can see, this one 5 17 27 34 28 22 18 12 6. And okay, so first of all, as you can see here, we have three commons. This engine is a six cylinder. Okay, three commons for the three injector. As you can see, injector commons. Okay, as you can see, three commons, 1 3 5. Okay, three cylinder commons. And then as you can see, pin number 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the cylinders. Okay, this cylinder main wire is out. As you can see, main out is wired through 6 and 2 through 12 and 3 to 18 and 4 to 22 and 5 to 28 and 6 to 34 and 3 commons. Okay, we have 6 injector. 6 injector have 3 commons. Okay, as you can see, the upper side 3 commons. Understand? Common number 1. Okay, this 3 common is used for these 6 cylinders. One common is distribute. As you can see, the upper side, common number 1 is used for 1 number cylinder and 2 number cylinder. Okay, and common number 2 is used for 3 third number cylinder and 4th number cylinder, and common number 3 is used for cylinder number 5 and cylinder number 6. Okay, and then as you can see, 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is our 6 injector. The remain wire, which start from 34 28 22 18 12 and 6, this is the main wiring, which is means uh, positive wire. Okay, positive wire is direct feed to the each injector. If we follow this wiring, as you can see, this wire cable, as you can see, we have a lot of injector wires, and this wire, this is going to the, and as you can see, this is again spliced with, as you can see here, the coolant flow switch commons, and also turbo oil press, atmospheric pressure sensor, engine oil pressure sensor. This which is spliced, this is commons means grounds. Okay, and then this wire is going, as you can see, this wire is going to the wait, P2 connector, not the P2 connector. Okay, no, let me find P2 connectors. whereas our P2 connector is connected. Little bit I zoom it. P2 connector. As you can see, this is our injectors. This P2 connector is coming from, as you can see, this one is going up and then going up and follow. This wire is going to the, this is the injector cables. Okay, then come P91 is come to J91, connect with the J91. Okay, and J91 is going to the distributed to the each injectors. As you can see, we have one common is one common wire is distribute to the two injectors, each two injector. As you can see, one is distributed to two injector, one is distributed to two injector, one is distributed to two injector. And also, as you can see, the order of cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and then as you can see, this one single wire is going to the each injector. 6 wire is going to the 6 injector. Okay, understand? And as you can see here, the downside, we have some pin and injector connector for the retarded solenoid. Okay, which is most time not in used. Okay, but the company built in. Okay, so this is the injector wire is covered. So let's me check out. As you can see here, we have analog sensor power and pin 30 is unused, and inlet air temperature sensor pin number 2, and power engine speed timing. Okay, this is the engine speed timing power, and also as you can see, coolant flow switch common, and priming stop timing sensor, and fuel pressure sensor, turbo outlet pressure sensor. Okay, we have this type of pins as you can see in this. And this is the little overview. If anybody required this wiring diagram, the video is in this video I will provide my Gmail. You can make me email, I will send you this wiring diagram to you. Okay, because I cannot completely explain, this video is going to be very long, and this long video is boring. Okay, and the downside is you can see J1 and P1. This is another connector of the ECM. Okay, we have some pins. Let me explain few of them. Backup speed timing sensor unused. Some wire is unused, not as all are in used. Okay, digital sensor return, analog sensor power, analog sensor return, and then starting aid unused, and ground level shutdown, ground level shutdown, NC unused, digital sensor power 8 volt. Okay, and as you can see, either start valve relay unused, backup speed timing. Okay, engine retarded solenoid, then unswitched battery negative. As you can see here, unswitched battery negative and battery switched, and also the shield unused, and then ATA data link, negative positive and battery negative. Okay, so let's me check it out a little bit, the starting circuit of this engine and this generator. As you can see here, we have the transformer box which is related to the alternators, and here as you can see the generator set control GSC. This is our EMCP2. Okay, EMCP2, all pins in out and pin in. As you can see here, okay, we have RM. Okay, relay module. This pins is out, some for the starter motors as you can see, and fuel on relay, and as you can see the EGR, and so on. Okay, this is the complete wiring diagram of the 3406 and 3456 engine model. If you have further to read this wiring diagram and understand, please make me email, which email is available in this video description. I will send you soon. Thanks for watching. See you all next time, and goodbye.